Hey everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you if we can see voice messages on Instagram on our device. This is super easy, so we'll walk you through every method step by step. So let's get right into it. Open up Instagram application for that. And once you open up Instagram, what you can do is go to the DM where we have received the voice message. So look out for the DM option in the top right corner and select it. And from there, you'll be finding a section where you will be finding voice message. You can basically head over to chat and from there find the voice message. So what we can do is hold the voice message, and sometimes Instagram allows us to save it. If we see the save option, you can just go and tap on it. Instagram built-in save feature is available sometimes. It depends upon the chat type, but if you find it, you can just go over and save it, tap it, and that will save the audio inside the chat so that we can replay it anytime, even if the sender deletes it. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and look out for a screen recorder. So if you do not have a built-in screen recorder, there are different alternatives available. Go to Play Store or any other and just go over and download a screen recorder for yourself. And look out for a reliable screen recorder. Look out for the one with a good review. After that, you can just go over and download it. And once it is downloaded, you can just go over and go to the section where your audio is available, the audio message. And once you find it up, you can just go over and start recording the screen while you start playing up the music and find the file in your gallery and your photos. Apart from that, you can just go over and install files by Google as well. You can look out for internal storage on your device. So you can close this up and go to your devices manager. And from there, go to your internal storage. And within internal storage, you can look out for Instagram or such kind of files. And once you find it up, you can just go over and tap on it, tap on the audio folder, and that's it. It is not guaranteed, but sometimes voice notes appear there. So you can just go over and look out for those. And that is it. Those are some of the methods you can follow up if you want to save voice messages on Instagram. So if this tutorial helped, do not forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.